Good night. My name is Joan Jerez. Question one. The, the video has 5 steps where it focuses on listening to English lessons. Question two. Uh, Listening to English teacher speaking British English slow and the train are for native people speak. Question 3. The language he speaking that moment is Portuguese. Question 4. Um, do something every day. Do something different every day. Every day. Question 5. Uh, the lesson is listening to different scrolls in English, uh, 20 minutes per day. Question 6. Downing delayed routine and marking where something is done. Question 7. uh, Easy to enter Google. Uh, Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.